This is JEF, the international winner Barcelona 2019. The day that he won Barcelona, it was a very hard race. Went on the hit, I think 900 meters the first pigeons. We saw that he was on the pipa site. We saw the first pigeon in Belgium. We thought, wow, that is the pigeon. We must have good results on such a hard race. It must be a super pigeon. And I know the brothers, Jeroen and Stijn, ran from the years before also. And I know this pigeon was a very good pigeon before he won Barcelona. All the races before, like last year, he was ace pigeon in the federation by